Hello. Welcome to Advanced Vedic Mathematics course. This course this week is concentrating upon Maheshwara Sutras. In this lesson, in continuity of the previous lesson, we will be concentrating upon Sutras 5 to 14. Let us first recapitulate that Sutras 1 to 4 are coordination of 9 vowels. The first sutra coordinates first 3 vowels with Anubandha Ana of total value 13. Second sutra coordinates next 2 letters with Anubandha Ka, and Ka as a Shiv takes us to value 14. Ka here is a Shiv, as we are in Maheshwara Sutras, that is in a 5 space. Lord Shiv is the overlord of a 5 space, and Lord Shiv within 4 space is Maheshwar. Maheshwar is 39. It is 3 into 13, means within 4 space the 12-edged cube acquires 13th edge. It gets coordinated with the solid order origin. So 13 into 3 makes 39. It is Maheshwar, that is the 5 space Lord within 4 space is Maheshwar. The third sutra is coordinating next 2 vowels, and it gives the value 6, 7, 5 as 18. And fourth sutra coordinates the last 2 vowels, and it gives rise to the TC value 19. Let us now see how this organization is having its sthapatya. 13, as we have seen, is 13-edged cube within 4 space. 14 is hypercube 4. 18 is hypercube 5 of a full unit, and 19 is hypercube 5 of a half unit. So this feature H5, small h5, h4, and here is a h3.5. This feature h3.5 with cube as 3 space body, and the 13th edge as it is within the spatial order space. So this 13 and 13 is making it 26, which is H7. However, the here it is only half of it, 3.5. So these are the features which are there in respect of the first four Maheshwara Sutras. These together give us 64, and 64 is 4 raised to power 3. So the Maheshwara Sutras, because of a solid order dimensional frame, because of triple dimensions, takes 4 space along all the 3 dimensions. It is this which is helping us have an appreciation as to how the Maheshwara Sutras are sequentially taking us from 4 space to 5 space. Now, Sutras 5 to 14. These 10 sutras are coordinating consonants, vyanjans. You know, consonants are 33 in number and vowels are 9. These 9 vowels and 33. So 9 vowels and 33 consonants. It is 3 multiplied by 3 and it is 3 multiplied by 11. This feature 9 and 33 together make it 42 and it is equal to H11. And this that way is a reach towards the Nairitya cone, the southeast diagonal, which is of value 42. It is a Nairitya cone. And Nairitya cone is value 42 is a Punarjanam, it is a rebirth. So this is the feature, and 42 is the TC value of the first Upsutra, Anurupe. It is 42. These all features may be taken as the initial features, and then let us now have a sequential tabulation of Sutra 5. It is Ha, Ya, Ra, Va, and Ta. So it is 9, 1, 3, 7, and 3 makes it 27. Sixth is La, Ana. It is 5 and 7. It is 12. Seventh is Ja. Seventh is Nya, Ma, Ma, Ana, Na, with Ma as Anubandh. So it is 6, 9, 5, 7, 8, and a 9. The 8th is Ja, Bha, and Nya. It is 5, 8, and 6. Ninth is Ja, Ba, Ga, Da, Da, and Sha. 4, 7, 3, 5, 6, and 2. The 10th takes us to Kha, Fa. The tha, 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 cha, ta, ta, and va. These sutras, as such, deserve to be appreciated for their numbers values and then ahead for their sthapatya. The remaining 4 sutras, the 11th is taking us to Ka, Pahalant, then it is Sha, Sha, Sa, and Ra, and Ha, La, Halant. Here we can have a pause and see how the sequence, which had started for first 4 as vowels, then it had taken us to the Anthastha as Ha, Ya, Ra, Va, Tahalant, and La'ana. Then followed the 5th column of Nga, Nya, Ana, Na, and Ma. This row, it has taken this. Thereafter, the 4th row, the Gha, Dha, this row. So we should go to Devanagari alphabet for its 5x5 engines, these Varga consonants. This is important as when we will be glimpsing it and imbibing it, this organization of these 5x5 consonants, then we will be appreciating as to how that while the organization here is a row-wise, but Ganesh, the sutras, Vishwara sutras are proceeding column-wise. It is this feature, this deserves to be comprehended well, as it is with its comprehension only that we will be in a position to appreciate as to how the Maheshwara Sutras are taking us for transition from the creative manifestations to the transcendental phenomenon. It is a reach from the creative manifestation to the transcendental. So within 4 space, we are having a creation of 4-fold creations and its transcendental origin. 5 space is the origin. Now, it is a spatial order space while it is a solid order space. 4 space has 5 space as a origin, and 2 space is having 3 space as an origin. It is this feature which will help us appreciate that while the fifth column is organization for one sutra, the fourth row, fourth column is having pair of sutras. These are Jha, Bha, and Nya. This follows Gha, Dha, Dha. It is this feature which has not been counted while I organize those things, just to indicate and to focus that this fourth column is having two distinct sutras. So this fourth row is organized as a pair of sutras. It is this sutra which, if it is counted in that sequence, then we will having ultimately a list of 14 sutras. So these 14 sutras in that sequence, with proper placement for this, then the third column is leading to one sutra. Here is one sutra, here are two sutras, and here again is a one sutra. Now see, the next is a sutra. This sutra, this is one, but it is taking these three letters. So in all, 8 letters are being availed for coordination, and here this is a distinct. Then remains the Ushmana letters, Sha, Sha, Sa. It again lead to a pair of sutras. Let us have a very close look at this organization of Maheshwara Sutras and the coordination of the letters, particularly of this 5x5, and then Ushmana as well, leading to a pair of, and likewise the Anthastha, Ya, Ra, La, and Va. These three lead to one, and here it leads to another sutra. The letter Ha is having first representation in Ha, Ya, Ra, Va, and Ta, and it is also having as Hal, the last sutra. Here that Anubandha is 3, and here the Anubandha is 5. So this is the feature. And also one interesting feature is that the first sutra is having its Anubandh, Ana, and the sutra La, Ana is also having the same Anubandha. So Ana is the Anubandh, marking its presence twice, and Ha is the letter which is having its placement, coordination placement twice. These features deserve to be comprehended well Once we are parallel with it, then let us see the role of Anubandhas. There are 14 sutras and so 14 Anubandhas, but this is occurring twice. Therefore, there are 13 distinct Anubandhas. The letter Ha is having its coordination twice. And the another feature is that Ka as a letter is having TC value 1, but Ka as Anubandh is having TC value 5. So this feature of one Anubandh occurring twice and this feature that one letter is being coordinated twice and this feature that one letter as Anubandha and as letter is having distinct TCV values. These three features